Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add watermark in PDF, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to add watermark in PDF. You need to head to this website, ilovepdf.com, and I will leave the link in the description below. It's free to use and you don't need to sign up. Okay, when you are in the website, just click select PDF file and then select your PDF. Okay, I have this one, just double click. Okay, now you can see here I have 2 pages in the PDF, and here you can select watermark text or image. Okay, I will have text, and here you can write the text here. For example, sample, and here you can choose the font size. And here if you want to bold the text, and here the position of the watermark, where you want to have it. Okay, for example here it's okay, it's fine. And transparency, okay, I will have 25%. Okay, after that click add watermark. Okay, now click download PDF with watermark. Okay, here is the text. Let me open it. Yeah, you can see it now, it's here. Sample first page, and here the second page. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add watermark in PDF. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.